Hi, Dr. Butler here. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn more about your health today. Want to reach out to my patient community as it has been a little bit since we've checked in. And my goal in this video is to bring a message of encouragement for you in your own individual health, for the health of those around you, those that you care about. And my thoughts is that we have not been doing the best that we could, I believe, as a medical community in our public health messages, to be encouraging of the individual to continue to be thoughtful of our decision making and the influence that our decisions have both on our personal health as well as, I believe, on the health of those around us. Your health is typically a reflection of the environment that is going on around you, both from a physical standpoint as well as from a mental emotional standpoint, tied into the thoughts and beliefs that you're having. And all of those interactions, from thought and belief to the physical environment, lead to decisions that we make. And those decisions that we make are either moving us towards an improved state of health potential, or they are moving us towards a depleted state of health, which leads to disease. And the current struggle with COVID-19 and the pandemic is obviously this acute concern that is going on and having quite an influential effect in our country and in the world. And there are obviously, again, actions being taken to improve that. And I believe it's a fairly complex scenario, but one that seems to be being improved and traction is occurring. But I do think that we as individuals also have a lot of power and influence to be taking strides towards improved states of individual health and improved states of health optimization. And what I mean by that is I've been able to now have the pleasure of working with people through the pandemic now over the last year and a half, and it's just such a blessing when you see people come in a place that they're struggling with their health and they start applying choices with regards to their lifestyle routines, with regards to their actions that they're making, with regards to the types of thoughts that they're thinking, and begin to see the potential that lies in that individual to start kind of going up those stairs towards health potential and health optimization, away from disease and symptomology. And I believe that is so relevant and so important, not only for, of course, that improved experience that an individual gets to have in this life and feel good and take action and help others, but I think it's also quite relevant for the current pandemic that we're dealing with. I think that the healthier we get as individuals, the healthier we get as a population, the healthier we get as a world with our ecosystems. It's just such a tremendous advantage of being able to work against things like viruses and bacterias and funguses and epidemics and pandemics and things that can show up, that will show up. It's part of life of how these cycles occur. And it is, as I mentioned, my hope and my want that we can collectively work together in our communities and with each other to be advocates for ourselves, our health potential, which in turn will play into an advocacy for those around us, for our environment, for our communities. So again, my thoughts lie in the fact that I'm so glad that you are watching this video. I'm so glad that you're showing up to work on your self-care when you come into our clinic, and just please remember the importance of that. And it is a pleasure always to be able to connect with you, and I will look forward to being able to do that again. Have a great day.